How we doing today, people? Potato harvest time. Been probably averaging around 3.5 to 4 pounds per potato spud that I planted. Let's pull up this one, see what we get here. They're ready to go. Been in here for a while, obviously. There we go. A little red onion bonus. Here we go. Potatoes are always a fun thing to get out because you never know how many you're gonna get. And it's so easy. This is just from one spud. Super easy to do. Like I said, normally average around 3.5 pounds to 4 pounds of potato plant. Oh, some of these got deep. And the ones that you forget, well, you get a freebie potato. So here we go. This is just from off your 2 plants. Make some potato soup. Squash, fried potatoes, smashed potatoes. There we go. And we got a few more to do here. Anyways, hope everyone's having a great day. See ya.